What's that, Lodi?
Spaghetti.
What did you say, Lodi?
Balls.
Barber? You want me to go to a barber shop, Lodi?
Hair styling.
You want me to cut my hair short?
Mm.
Like short? That short?
Shoulder length.
Maybe.
Oh, there's pharmacy there.
Bagong buhay, bagong buhok. So what are we gonna buy, Lodi?
We're gonna buy ground beef.
We're gonna buy what we need to buy. Right? Right, Lodi? Right, Lodi? It's raining, Lodi. That's our Tagalog word of the day. That's our Tagalog word of the day, Mama.
Si Lodi.
Lodi.
You're my Lodi.
Lodi means idol. And yan ay isang bagong Tagalog slang word that's currently making a hit. Lodi. Did you say Lodi? You know what? Someone's looking at me. Someone's looking at me. No, there, look. Oh my gosh. They're so cute. Ang daming barya ni Lodi. Oh, it's raining, Mama. Let's go home, Lodi. Yan lang para sa ating Tagalog word of the day. Bahay na kami ni Lodi. It's getting dark. Padilim ng padilim, Mama. It's getting darker and darker. We're inside the garahe now.